If you've ever wanted to take control of your privacy in Google Chrome by turning off location access, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to disable sites from seeing your location in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to keep your browsing experience safer and more private, whether you're using Chrome for work, school, or just surfing the web. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. You can do this on your computer or laptop. It doesn't matter which operating system you're on, as the steps are pretty much the same. If you already have Chrome open, that's perfect. If not, just click the Chrome icon to get started. Once Chrome is open and ready, we want to access the browser's settings. Look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. That's Google's icon for More. Click on those 3 dots. Sometimes it's easy to miss because they're small, but you'll find them just to the right of the address bar. After you click, a drop-down menu appears with a bunch of options, but all we need to do here is select Settings. Think of Settings as the control center for Chrome, where all the important preferences are kept. When you're inside Settings, you'll see a menu on the left side or maybe a scrollable page if your Chrome looks a bit different. What we're looking for now is Privacy and Security. This section is really important. It's where Chrome puts all the controls that help protect your information and browsing activity. Click on Privacy and Security, and don't worry if it takes a moment for the page to load. Sometimes Chrome just needs to fetch some details. Inside Privacy and Security, next up is Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. If it helps, you can think of Site Settings as the area where Chrome lets you decide how websites interact with your browser. Things like pop-ups, camera access, notifications, and yes, location data. We're almost there. Now, within Site Settings, you'll see a bunch of permissions. Scroll down until you find Location. It might be nested under a section labeled Permissions, so keep an eye out. Once you find Location, click on it. This brings up a list of options for how Chrome handles requests from websites to see where you are. You might notice that some sites will ask to know your location for reasons like finding nearby stores, showing you local news, or customizing weather information. But you're here because you'd rather keep that information private. Here's the final and most important step. Select the option that says, Don't allow sites to see your location. What this does is block all websites, unless you've explicitly allowed a specific one, from accessing your geographical data. It's like drawing the curtains on your windows. You're telling Chrome not to let anyone peek in unless you say so. After you select this, you're all set. No more pop-ups asking about your location and no more tracking where you're browsing from. And that's it. Simple but powerful. Taking control of your privacy in Chrome helps you browse with more confidence, knowing you have a say in what information websites can access. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions about browser privacy or want tutorials on similar topics, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read everyone. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more easy, useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy safe browsing.